Want to be as chill as the dude?
The dude is not in.
Well, have I got the thing for you. EasyBins is a convenient and easy way for you to get all your groceries delivered straight to your door. And use the code Griffith5 in order to get $5 off your next EasyBins order, so you can keep on chilling. We're back. Mitchell Griffith here with Griffith Goods and Spirits, and today we're gonna be chilling out with the dude, grilling up some great bowling alley smash burgers, and improving on his White Russian.
Yeah, well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
As we always do, let's start with the cocktail. Today, we're doing a new and improved version of the White Russian. We're gonna start off with 1.5 ounces of vodka. We're gonna do 1 ounce of Kahlua, and then 1 ounce of our homemade vanilla simple syrup. And then we're gonna do 4 ounces of our Cinnamon Toast Crunch infused coconut milk.
What in God's holy name are you blathering about?
Basically, we just let it sit overnight in coconut milk and strained out all the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and it gives it just a wonderful flavor to your White Russian. We're gonna add just a few ice cubes, and then give this a stir to make sure it incorporates everything. Then to top it all off as a garnish, we're just gonna hit it with a little bit of fresh grated cinnamon. And then your new and improved White Russian's good to go.
Hey, careful, man. There's a beverage here, huh?
Now that we've got our White Russian done, we've added a little bit of bacon to this pan. We're doing about 1/2 pound of bacon just to give our patty melt a little bit of crunch. While your bacon's frying up, we're gonna go ahead and start on the patty sauce. We're gonna do 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1/2 cup of mayo, 1 full cup of mustard, and then 1/2 cup of diced pickles. Now we're just gonna whisk this all together and get it all super well incorporated. We've got our patty sauce here, and this is exactly what it should look like.
You fucking sick.
We're gonna add 1 full white onion in here, just to go ahead and let this get caramelized in some of that bacon grease.
Over the line!
You wanna make sure that while your onions are cooking, that you hit them with a good pinch of salt and some black pepper, because you want your onions to be flavorful as well. This is what you want your onions to look like when they're done cooking. You've got a nice, good overall brown color, and a few little crispy bits in there that'll add a little bit of flavor. We've got our bacon, toast, and onions done, and now it's time to start on the patty melt. I've got 1/8 pound patties here, so you're gonna drop that patty in your pan, and we're just gonna put parchment paper over it, and you're gonna mash these down to where they're about 1/4 inch thick, and peel that off. You're gonna wanna make sure to salt and pepper these patties real good. Now that our patties are starting to brown up right here around the edges, we're gonna go ahead and flip these. Flip these patties real quick. Oh, and they're looking perfect. There we go. And now these won't take very long on this side either. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and add a little bit of your onion, a piece of bacon, and some of your freshly ground cheddar cheese to this, so that they'll melt up real good. And you're gonna toss on your piece of bread so that cheese will just go ahead and melt straight on there. We just pulled one of our patties. Now we're gonna add some of our good old burger sauce here.
Donnie, please.
Then we're gonna go ahead and pull that top patty, slide that right on there, and your patty melt is perfect. We've got our perfect patty melt done. We've got our White Russian done. Now it's time to go hit a 7-10 split without stepping over the line.
Smokey, this is not Nam, this is bowling. There are rules.
Hey,
Want more great Griffith Goods and Spirits content? Well, hit us up with a like, subscribe, and click that bell if you want to be invited to the next family dinner. Boom. One take. Everybody knows the rules.
Ah, nice marmot.